Wuhan Kaohsiung Weiye Technology Company Limited is a manufacturer which fully dedicated to researching and developing automatic cash-operated drinks machine, coffee vending machine, bean-to-cup coffee machine, protein shake vending machine, and related products over 15 years. We always insist on continuous innovation, improvement, long-term business to provide excellent products and service. And we accept personalized customization as per customer's request. Established in 2008, Wuhan Kaohsiung Weiye Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise with research and development, manufacturing and sales all in one. The company now has a total coverage of 200,000 square meters, and the factory takes 100,000 of them. A fixed asset of up to 500 million RMB. Its factory possesses the most advanced equipment in the world that enables a maximum annual productivity of 200,000 machines. We spend 100% of our energy researching how to make vending machines that are more convenient to manage and easier to maintain for customers. We have provided thousands of cloud management service solutions, UI design, and APP humanized settings for China and the world. Through unremitting efforts, our machines are smarter, more energy efficient, and safer. It provides a more efficient and convenient service for friends all over the world who love vending machines.